Let's make bean salad. My way? Start by boiling water with a little olive oil and salt. Add the chopped beans and cook for just a few minutes until tender, but still vibrant. Drain them and immediately place them in cold water to keep that fresh green color. For the dressing, mix minced garlic, salt, vinegar, and olive oil. Now add sliced onions, fresh coriander leaves, and the dressing to the beans. Give everything a good mix. And that's it. Fresh, simple, and full of flavor. Make it yourself and enjoy.